Good morning, friends. Welcome to this DMS class. Today we'll see the well-formed formulas, which is very important part. It is very simple thing. Basically, well-formed formula is simply nothing but statement formula. But here, question is come, which statement formula we can say as a well-formed formula. For that, very basic 4 rules are here that we'll see. First rule, a single statement variable. And here we have seen the single statement of variable means what? Single atomic propositions. Okay, atomic propositions are always in single mode. So single atomic propositions are always well-formed formula. This is my first rule. Second rule, if single statement formula, that is A, is a well-formed formula, then definitely their individual negation is also well-formed formula. Basic rule. Single atomic proposition is a well-formed formula. Always, if single atomic proposition is a well-formed formula, then definitely their negation or individual negation is also well-formed formula. Third rule, let A and B are well-formed formula as per my rule number 1. And if we take A disjunction B, A conjunction B, A conditional B, and A biconditional B, okay, means what? In a single line, we have taken 2 atomic proposition. In between these 2 atomic propositions, we have used proper basic connectives, and all these things we have enclosed within the opening and closing parenthesis. Simply, and all these particular brackets are also known as well-formed formula. Now here, rule number 1, rule number 2, and rule number 3 conclude that what is exactly well-formed formula. So well-formed formula is a string of symbol in a single line consisting variables, that means atomic proposition, proper parenthesis, and connectives. So here we can conclude that on a single line, arrangement of basic connective, arrangement of atomic proposition, and arrangement of parenthesis, if present in proper manner, then that particular entity or that particular string we can say as a well-formed formula. Is that clear? Very simple things are here. Now here we have to keep in mind is what? To define well-formed formula, arrangement of proper atomic proposition, basic connective, and parenthesis must be present in proper manner. Okay. Now we see the examples. Now see, this is my first example. A disjunction B into the bracket, outside the bracket, negation sign, and below, before that also opening and closing. Now here we have to justify total number of opening parentheses, total number of closing parentheses are same. Yes. Arrangement of parentheses are present in proper manner. Arrangement of atomic proposition, nothing but A and B are present in proper manner. In between these 2 atomic propositions, we have used disjunction, and these particular brackets, outside this particular bracket is nothing but negation. So all these things are present in proper manner. That's why this is my standard formula, that is nothing but well-formed formula. Hope all of you are getting clear. Second thing, here also arrangement of parentheses, atomic proposition, and basic connectives are present in proper manner. It is also well-formed formula. Third thing is also well-formed formula. Now here, arrangement of atomic proposition, arrangement of basic connectives are present in proper manner, but parentheses are not present. That's why it is not a well-formed formula. Now here parentheses, all these 3 things should be present in proper manner. Which one? Parenthesis, propositions, and basic connective. Now here parentheses are present in proper manner, basic connective is also present in proper manner, but atomic propositions are not present in proper manner. Now see the in second bracket. That's why it is not well-formed formula. What about here? It is also not well-formed formula because parenthesis is not present here. Okay. Sometimes question come ahead to identify or to justify or to just find out the correct well-formed formula. So for that, we are applying all these rules. Rule is what? Arrangement of atomic proposition, arrangement of basic connective, and arrangement of parentheses. All these three things must be present in proper manner. If it comes, all these things comes in proper manner, then definitely the given statement formula is known as well-formed formula. Okay, so before going to define well-formed formula, it is initially is a simple statement formula. By adding all these three fundamental things, only we can say that statement formula becomes well-formed formula. Hope all of you getting clear. The next part, truth table. How to obtain truth table? Very simple thing. The question is construct the truth table of the given well-formed formula, or we can say statement formula. Finding the truth table of the given statement formula, initially we have to find how many possible combinations are required to get the truth values for this formula. Now here we have to find number of atomic propositions are present in the given statement formula. How many atomic propositions are present in this formula? 2. Which one? A and B. Okay, so this 2 count is indicating as a n. Okay, and after getting the value of n, we've used the formula is 2 raised to n. That is nothing but 2 raised to n, nothing but 2 raised to 2 is equal to 4 possible combinations. So construct this truth table of the given formula, we required 4 combinations. If suppose in the given formula consists 3 atomic propositions, definitely we'll get 8 possible combinations. Are you clear? Very simple thing is here. Now, A and B both are initially atomic propositions. Justify the truth values that all are defined: true, true, false, false, true, false, true, false. After getting the truth values for every combination of A and B, then we'll find out the truth values of this whole statement formula. That we can split. Firstly, we'll solve inner bracket, then we'll solve outer bracket. Inner bracket is what? A or B. What is the use of or working situation of or? If first one is true, sorry, first one is false and second one is false, then that particular compound proposition is false. Now here we have to check first one is false and second one is false. At which combinations we are getting? At last. That's why that result is false. Otherwise all are true. Hope all of you are getting clear. After completing inner bracket, then we'll solve the outer bracket. So A conditional A disjunction B. Already we have found the truth values of A or B. A is with us. In between them, we are using condition sign. And we know the working of condition is what? First one is true and second one is false. First atomic proposition is true and second atomic proposition is false. That may be atomic or that may be compound. Here, after conditional, compound proposition is there. Okay. So before conditional A is there, that part always be the true. After conditional, this whole bracket is there, that part always be the false. Whenever such situation is happen, then that particular compound proposition is false, otherwise true. Now check, A is true and this bracket is false. We are not getting any single combination. So that's why all combinations are true. Hope all of you are getting clear how to construct the truth table of the given statement formula.